37th episode of Python tutorial series. So in this one we are going to see Python math. Python has a set of built-in math functions including an extensive math module that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. Okay, and built-in math functions, the min and max functions can be used to find the lowest or highest value in an iterable. So iterable, here the word is noun here. Okay, x equals to min of 5, 10, 25, so x will be 5. Y equals to max of 5, 10, 25, so y will be 25. Print of x, print of y. So first 5 and then in the next line 25 will be printed. The abs function returns the absolute or positive value of the specified number. Okay, x equals to abs of minus 7.25, so when you take the printout of x, you will have only plus 7.25. That's the power x comma y function returns the value of x to the power of y, x to the power y. Return the value of, the question is return the value of 4 to the power of 3, same as 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So x equals to power of 3 comma 4, and then when you take the printout of x, you will have 64. The math module. Python has also a built-in module called math, which extends the list of mathematical functions. Okay, to use it, you must import the math module. Import math. When you have imported the math module, you can start using methods and constants of the module. Okay. The math sqrt method, for example, returns the square root of a number. Import math x equals to math.sqrt of 64. If you print of x, then you will have 8. Oh, it returns a float number. Okay. The math.ceil method rounds a number upwards to its nearest integer, and math.floor method rounds a number downwards. Just a minute. To its nearest integer and returns the result. Import math x equals to math.ceil of 1.4 and y equals to math.floor of 1.4. I guess x is gonna be ceiling, that means 2, and y is gonna be 1. Yeah. The math.pi constant returns the value of pi 3.1415926,535. Import math x equals to math.pi pi, both are small letters, print x. So 3.1415926,535 89793. My gosh. Complete math module reference. In our math module reference, you will find a complete reference of all methods and constants that belong to the math. Let's click that for a while. Gosh. Math.cos math.exp returns e raised to the power of x. Math.factorial, math.floor, math. Math.log returns the natural logarithm of a number or the logarithm of number to base. So its log means e-based log. Math.log10 method so returns the base 10 logarithm of x. Math.power method returns the value of x to the power of y. Math.radians converts a degree value into radians. Math.remainder, math.sign method, math.sqrt square root method, math.10 method. Okay. Math.trunc method returns the truncated integer part of a number. I guess it works the same as math.floor. So only 5 minutes. Now math constants, let us see. Math.e returns Euler's number 2.71828. Math.inf returns a floating point positive infinity. Math.nan returns a floating point nan, not a number value. Math.pi and math.tau returns tau, which is, let's say, 6.2831. I guess this is the double of pi. Should I? No, I shouldn't do that. I should go back to the yeah, that's why I should go back. Now since we have time, we are going to see now Python JSON. JSON is a JSON is a syntax for storing and exchanging data. JSON is text written with JavaScript object notation. Okay. So JS stands for JavaScript, O stands for object, and stands for notation. JavaScript object notation. JSON in Python. Python has a built-in package called JSON, which can be used to work with JSON data. Import the JSON module. Import JSON. Parse JSON. Convert from JSON to Python. If you have a JSON string, you can parse it by using the JSON.loads method. Okay. The result will be a Python dictionary. Import JSON. Convert from JSON to Python. So x equals to it's gonna be a dictionary. I get some JSON because the dictionary is in single quotation, like name John age 30, city New York. Now y equals to JSON.loads of x. Now if you print y of age, I guess 30 will be printed out. So let's read the code once again. Import JSON, some JSON, y equals to, in single quotation we have a dictionary, in curly brackets we have name, colon, John age, colon 30, city, colon New York, y equals to JSON.loads of x, and then we print y of age. So 30 is gonna be printed. Convert from Python to JSON. If you have a Python object, you can convert it into a JSON string by using the JSON.dumps method. Okay. And convert from Python to JSON. Import JSON. Then x equals to this Python object, x equals to, in curly brackets we have name John age 30, city New York. Then convert to into JSON, we do like y equals to JSON.dumps of x. And previously what did we do? Y equals to JSON.loads of x. So this is how you convert JSON into Python. But when you convert Python into JSON, you actually do y equals to JSON.dumps of x, and this is loads of x. Okay, fine. If you print y, the result is a JSON string like this. Although it looks like Python string, but it is JSON string as the suggest. Okay, what is the time? You can convert Python objects of the following types into JSON strings, like dictionary, list, tuple, string, int, float, true, false, and none. Example: convert Python objects into JSON strings and print the values. Import JSON, print JSON.dumps. Since you are converting into JSON, that's why. Now you are converting a dictionary. In the next one, you are converting a list. Then what is that? A tuple, also a string, then an integer, then a float number. Now next two are nothing but Boolean value, and the last one is none, no any. So n is in capital. So all the printouts, all the outputs that you get to see here, they are in JSON. Although they look much like Python, but they are in JSON. As you can see, the last one, null. And also look at the true and false. When you look at true and false, you know that these are not in Python, because in Python true it is capitalized, and also for false it is capitalized. So this is JSON, JSON, JavaScript object notation. Most possibly that's what it is. Let's see once again. Yes, JavaScript object notation. Is this chapter closed? Oh gosh. If this chapter is really big, and it is big. So guys, okay, thank you for watching this video. This was 37. So again, see you in 38th video. Have a great after that. Until then.